All right, let's take a look at how to do matrices on a graphing calculator. So we're going to take a look at how to type these into the calculator and then also how to perform different operations. All right, so let's take a look first at how do we put a matrix into a calculator. So when you're looking at your calculator, you should see the x to the -1 button and written either in blue or yellow, depending on what calculator you have. You'll see the word matrix, okay? It's missing the I, but it says matrix there. So I press second, x to the -1, and it brings me to this menu. All right, so you have 3 columns here: names, which is where we want to be if we want to actually use a matrix in a computation. Then there's math, where we can do things like determinants. That's the only one we're going to worry about. And then edit. Okay, edit is where we're going to go first so we can type a matrix in. So we're going to type in matrix A, which is a 3 by 3. So I hit enter on 1 for matrix A. And the first thing I have to do is fill in the dimension statement. Okay, so matrix A is a 3 by 3. So I hit 3, enter, 3, enter. And you'll see that it creates an empty 3 by 3 where every element is a 0. Now, matrices are going to get filled in across the top, across the rows. So the top row is 1, -2, 5. So I type in 1, hit enter. Then I type in -2, hit enter. And then a 5, hit enter. And then it'll kick you down to the second row, and then you type in all of those numbers. Now, the first one already is 0, but I can hit 0, enter, and that'll move me over to the next one. Then I did a 3 and a 1. Okay, then I'll go down to the bottom row, which is -4, 2, and -1. Okay, and make sure you're using the negative button, not the subtraction button, the negative button. Okay, so once you're done typing in, just double check and make sure it matches what's on the page. But there's typing in a matrix. Now to type in matrix B, I'm going to start all over again. I press second, x to the -1 to go to the matrix menu. Now I can see next to A that it says it's a 3 by 3, so now I know there's something typed in there. I'm going to go over to edit, down to matrix B, and hit enter. Matrix B over here on this worksheet is a 3 by 2, so I hit 3, enter, 2, enter, and then I type in each row. First one is 4, -5, and then -2, 6, and 3, 1. And I'm going to continue doing this in the same pattern to do the other 3, okay? So take some time, type in matrix C, matrix D, and matrix E, and then I'll see you in the next video to show you how to do some of the computation things.